let's go to the business cases, the business scenarios. So we'll go to Beatriz Bardiza, Bertil Vendreke, and Adrian Whelan.
Hi, everyone. I'm delighted to present a green project deployed in Australia. ResetData is a 100% immersion cooled data center for cloud services. It's the first sustainable data center with the commitment of zero carbon emissions and zero waste of water by 2025. So it seems it's a data center that makes sense, as is where sustainability and performance meet. So I would like to introduce Bass Salah, the co-founder of ResetData.
Hi, I'm Bass Salah of ResetData, and today I'm here to talk about immersion cooling and Submer. So why immersion cooling? Well, there's 4 key benefits for us. The first is sustainability. And we're not just talking about a marginal improvement in sustainability, we're talking about a significant improvement in sustainability. The second benefit for us is capital cost. And there's a significant reduction for us in the capital costs of the IT infrastructure, but also the land cost as well as the building envelope costs. The third thing for us is the operating costs, and there's a reduction in cooling of the IT server equipment, but also reduction in IT hardware failure and a reduction in maintenance cost. The fourth thing for us is really about an improvement in workload computation. So we're able to address a different segment of the market by using immersion cooling. It's a segment that is rising. It's about high density, higher computational workloads. So they're the 4 things that really derive the benefit of immersion cooling for ResetData. So what are the main benefits of working with Submer? Well, first and foremost, it's really the team. I mean, you've got a really highly skilled team of subject matter experts who know the product really well and understand its application in the various environments. They're not only a great team of experts, they're actually a good group of people to work with and easy to do business with. The second thing is really the product. I mean, it's engineered and built to the best-in-class standard in the market. And really the third thing is the brand. I mean, you've got a brand you can rely on in every aspect. So they're the reasons why we work with Submer.
Thanks, Bass, and thanks for your trust and commitment with Submer. And now, all over to you, Bertil.
Thank you so much, Beatrice. I'm happy to be here with you. My name is Bertil Brendeke, VP of Sales in EMEA. And I would like to introduce you to our partner, Telefonica. As you know, Telefonica is a global telecom operator, but also a forward thinker in the area of sustainability and a circular economy. And Telefonica has proven to be a leader in innovation. And therefore, we work together to make sure that they make their KPIs work on sustainability and circular economy, but also they have a good eye on the total cost of ownership. And it is with pleasure I introduce you to Pablo.
Hello, Submer team. Firstly, thank you for allowing us to participate in your event. To be innovator is part of our DNA. As an example, 15 years ago, despite the market call us crazy, we implemented a free cooling direct solution, which was a revolution into the data center world. Today, we have thousands of sites with the same solution. Nevertheless, now the challenge is higher. The growth of the data is exponential, and we are very committed to reduce our carbon footprint. We believe that 2 of the main keys to achieve these objectives are reduce the consume and limit the use of the refrigerant gases. In this way, we trust on the immersion cooling technology created by Submer. And with the same risk to be called crazy again, we are implementing a trial in our Bellas Vistas central office, where we expect to reach a PUE close to 1.1, a very high that this solution can run without chiller equipment. In other words, Telefonica is strongly committed with this technology, and we hope that this trial will be a reality in 2022.
Thank you for this great explanation. And now I would like to hand over to my colleague, Adrian Whelan.
Thanks, Bertel. So I'm going to walk you through the business case of IWB. IWB is a utility company in the beautiful city of Basel in Switzerland. And they're deploying both the micropods and SmartPod XLs across the whole city to reuse the heat. So I will now hand you over to Dominic, who will give you a little bit more detail on the deployment. Over to you, Dominic.
IWB supplies the Great Basel region with energy, drinking water, telecom and mobility. In Switzerland, IWB is the first port of call for climate-friendly energy. So why immersion cooling? We believe that it is possible to combine digitalization and sustainability. So therefore, we were looking for a solution that would allow us to heat buildings with IT equipment. After a lot of research, the most flexible solution for us was immersion cooling. Which are the main benefits about working with Submer? Submer is characterized by its uncomplicated nature and willingness to help. The openness to discuss or even implement new approaches are also very helpful for us. For us, it was important to show that the utilization of waste heat works technically and that the use of the components is flexible. We could prove this. So now we are looking forward for the next steps.
Okay, thank you, Dominic.
Submer, data centers that make sense.